Hello everyone, welcome to Bonsai Den Haag. In today's video I will be wiring and styling this Sabina Juniper yamadori tree. I'm excited to share my journey with you and document the process of turning this tree into this beautiful bonsai. I'm gonna divide these videos in 3 steps. Step 1 is we'll be preparing the tree. Step 2, wiring the branches, and step 3, styling the tree. So before we begin with the wiring process, it's important to make sure the tree is healthy and ready for styling. First, I will give a good look at the tree to make sure it's strong and healthy. Next, I will remove any dead or damaged branches and leaves to allow the tree to focus its energy on the healthy growth. Then I will start cleaning the dead wood part that we are going to use in the design and remove any unnecessary branches. End of the summer, beginning of autumn is a perfect time to execute this type of work on any tree that's healthy. Now it's time to start wiring the branches. I'll be using copper wire which is strong enough to shape the branches without breaking them. First, I'll start with the large branches and work my way up to the smaller ones. I will wrap the wire around each branch, making sure to leave some slack so that I can bend the branch into the desired shape. Wiring is a crucial step in the art of bonsai cultivation. It's a technique that allows you to sculpt and shape the tree's branches into the desired form, giving your bonsai its unique aesthetic appeal. In this step, we'll delve deeper into the process and considerations involved. So we're starting to get some order in the chaos. You can see, I'm gonna make here the apex, the top of the tree, and we have here a lot of branches that are curling around, and what it makes it difficult is that the branches already have a lot of movement, so I have to really, the wiring process is quite difficult, but we are starting to get some pads over here and the tree is already getting into shape. An important part during the wiring process is the branch selection. Begin by assessing your bonsai tree and identify the branches that need shaping. Typically, you will start with the larger branches and work your way up to the smaller ones. This hierarchical approach ensures that the fundamental structure of the tree is established before fine-tuning into the details. So here we have a junction of 3 branches coming out of one location. So here what you want to do is to choose 2, and I will choose the thinner branch right here, which is more compact, and this one above here, and then we can wire those 2 together, and then we can get rid of this one. So here we go. So to wire a branch, take a length of copper wire appropriate for the branch thickness. Start by anchoring one end of the wire to the base of the branch or the trunk, ensuring a secure attachment. Then gently wrap the wire around the branch in a spiral fashion. It's essential to maintain an even distance between the wire coils to ensure uniform pressure. This will help in shaping the branch evenly. Wiring is a skill that requires patience and practice to master. Bonsai is an art form that evolves over time, and your tree's shape will gradually develop into the masterpiece you envision. In summary,
Wiring the branches of a bonsai tree is a meticulous process that involves selecting the right wire, wrapping it with care, and shaping the branches to create a harmonious and aesthetic pleasing design. With patience and dedication, you can transform your bonsai tree into a living work of art, showcasing nature's beauty in miniature form.
Alright, here we are with day 5th, I think, already working on this tree. And after cleaning everything up, I now have all the structural wires, so the whole structure of the tree is set, and we know more or less where the front will be. And now I can give you a zoom in, and then we're gonna continue tomorrow. I will put all the detail wire and start from the bottom and make up the whole tree. Here we have it more or less the front. We have here the defining branch going down, and now the tree is starting to make some sense. We have this nice feature of all this dead wood over here, and then I will clean up in the future this part here that goes all the way down, as you can see here. And here we have the whole structure set.
With the wiring process almost complete, it's time to start finishing the first styling of this tree. I'll be careful maintain the natural flow and movement of the tree and aim for balanced, harmonious overall shape. With the wiring and styling then complete, my Sabina Juniper yamadori tree is well on its way to become a beautiful bonsai tree. I hope you enjoy following along with the process and learning a little bit about wiring and styling bonsai trees.
Here we are with the final result of this first styling of this tree. So I'll give you the 360. And I hope you like this video, and I see you next time in Bonsai Den Haag. Don't forget to like and subscribe, that's really helped my channel. See you next time.